Cauliflower and chickpea curry. Prepare the ingredients. Roughly chop 1 onion and add to a high-speed blender or food processor. Peel 4 garlic cloves and add to the processor. Roughly chop 1 chilli and add to the food processor. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Roughly chop 1 piece of ginger and add to the food processor. Roughly chop 1 yellow capsicum with seeds removed and place into the food processor. Add 1 tablespoon of agave. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Remove the stalks from 1 bunch of coriander. Roughly chop and add to the food processor. Break 1 head of cauliflower into large florets. Puree the ingredients in the food processor. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add the paste and cook for a couple of minutes. Stir occasionally. Add 1 tin of diced tomatoes and 1 tin of chickpeas. Add the cauliflower pieces, 1 cup of vegetable stock, and stir. Cover with a lid. Bring to the boil. When boiling, stir. Replace the lid. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and simmer on low heat until the liquid reduces and is thick. Then serve.